Hello and welcome to this new BitDiver tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the market sentiment section, a page that helps you interpret the overall mood of the crypto market using a powerful indicator, the Fear and Greed Index. The cryptocurrency market is famously influenced by emotions. When prices rise, many investors become greedy and start feeling FOMO, the fear of missing out. When prices fall, panic often spreads, and many sell their assets, sometimes irrationally. The Fear and Greed Index helps you manage these emotional reactions. It condenses them into a single number from 0 to 100. Low values indicate fear, down to extreme fear. High values indicate greed, up to extreme greed. The basic idea is simple. When there is extreme fear, there may be a buying opportunity. When there is extreme greed, the market might be close to a correction. On BitDiver, you'll find this index in the dashboard menu, top left, under Market Sentiment. Once you open the page, on the left you'll see a gauge showing the current value, updated daily. Below, you'll find a legend to interpret each range, 0-25, extreme fear, 26-46, fear, 47-54, normal, 55-75, greed, 76-100, extreme greed. But how is the index calculated? The Fear and Greed Index focuses mainly on Bitcoin. It is provided by an external service and based on several weighted indicators. Let's go through them. Volatility, 25%. Compares Bitcoin's current volatility and maximum drawdowns with the averages of the past 30 and 90 days. A sudden increase in volatility is seen as a sign of fear. Market momentum, turn to volume, 25%. Looks at market volume and momentum compared to recent averages. High volume during an uptrend often signals overly euphoric behavior. Social media mentions. 15% analyzes activity on Twitter. Number of Bitcoin posts, interaction speed, trending hashtags. A sudden spike often means higher public interest and often greedy behavior. Surveys. 15% based on weekly polls from public platforms like Straw Poll to capture retail investors' market views. Note, these surveys are not always conducted, so in some periods the index is calculated without them, slightly affecting the final score. Dominance, 10%. Tracks. Bitcoin's market share compared to the whole crypto sector. An increase in dominance is often linked to fear, while a decrease can signal renewed interest in more speculative altcoins. Trends. 10% uses Google Trends data on Bitcoin-related searches. A sudden rise in terms like Bitcoin crash or price manipulation may reflect negative sentiment. These are the sources combined to generate the Fear and Greed Index. Now let's move to the right side of the gauge. Here you'll find a chart showing how the index has changed over time. You can select the time range above the chart to see how sentiment shifted in relation to market events. This can help you understand the emotional context of the market, avoid impulsive decisions, add a psychological layer to your market analysis. In short, the market sentiment page gives you a simple but powerful way to read the emotional climate around Bitcoin and to stay clear-headed even in turbulent moments. That's all for this section. Explore the other BitDiver features for a more complete view. And as always, if you need help, you can contact BitDiver support from the help section in the top menu. See you next time and happy analyzing.